but they all lost their homes and their property, and like the Hawaii was taking over the whole area. So my question to you is, having that property, whether you have a mortgage on it or not, having it in a trust is going to be easier for you to fight and keep that property, because people have the standard legalese with a lawyer set up, and the bank just comes in and says, you're wiped out, you owe us, now we're taking your property, and that's that. And it's very easy for the court system just to say, okay, all that area is wiped out. Similar to what I'm thinking of this as being a natural disaster, and then the courts come in and say, okay, we're taking this back over, or this area over, and selling it off to BlackRock or whoever else, and then they're going to rebuild and redo and all this kind of stuff. And if you don't have your property properly protected, then you can lose out kind of easy, because insurance companies don't want you to really go back and you build whatever you can afford to build, or however that works. And they'd rather sell it off to a big company like BlackRock, and BlackRock owns the insurance company anyway, and whatever. But I just wanted to bring up or see what you thought about.
I'm glad you brought that up. Listen, first of all, BlackRock is the U.S. government. Let's just be honest, okay?